Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another day out the jungle. Alright, this is the same day we just talked the last time when you watched me buck that tree trunk. I've been busy. I've killed some treeage. So let's take a moment of silence. Say our prayers for all the dead trees. It's gonna affect global warming, and Greta Thunberg is gonna hate me. But that's okay. That's okay. It has to be done. Alright guys. I don't know how many trees I cut down today, but they're nothing, any of them are major. One cool thing is I think that I might be able to get a little burl wood out of some of these stumps right here. I think this tree might have some. Let me get out of the light. Right here where it split, there ought to be something going on. It looks like there's a crack going on right there. But I'm gonna make sure I take that trunk out real easy and see if we can't get some burl out of this stuff. Looks like there's a knot right there. It wouldn't make anything major, but somebody that might have a little woodworking shop, you know, y'all let me know. If you got a woodworking shop and you got a lathe and you want to turn a little bowl or something, let me know. Maybe we'll FedEx that over your way. I think there's another one right here. There ought to be something crazy going on in that wood structure with that big knot in it. But anyway, yeah, I don't know how many I cut down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably about 8 trees today. I didn't get them all trimmed and bucked, mainly because I had other crap going on. I wanted to do some other things, and time is time. It ain't gonna hurt them to lay here. My biggest thing is that I want to get the trees that I'm gonna cut down, I want to get them on the ground now while they don't have any leaves on them. Last spring, yeah, there's another one right there, another big burly knot. Last spring we came up here and my pile of brush was full of nothing but leaves, and I'd rather get them knocked down right now. It's okay if they lay here on the ground. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna bring my tractor up here and then use that big scoop thing that I got. That way I don't have to carry them all the way up there, and that's a lot of walking, and I'm getting tired of it. It's that we're getting further and further away from the pile, and I want to get all these logs up there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know, some of it may be oak, I'm not sure. If anybody can tell me what kind of tree that is, I'm not sure if that's oak or not. There's no leaves on it, so it's kind of hard for me to, you know, I'm not a country boy, so I don't know a whole lot about trees, but that might be barbecue wood if it's oak, and if it's the right oak, I'm not 100% sure. I know damn good and well that ain't barbecue wood. That's just gonna be, I don't know, see if I can hand that to somebody that's got a log splitter and they can split it up and make. And here's another one. That's the one y'all watched me cut. I don't know if that's oak or not. If you know anything about trees and barbecuing, please let me know. That time mark 344, 345, what kind of tree is that? I think only oaks get that lichen kind of growing on them, but I could be wrong. I grew up in Houston. What the hell do I know about cutting down trees, man? What the hell do I know about trees? Now, I do know how to barbecue, but I don't know anything about the wood other than I buy it in a little baggie and mix it with my charcoal. All right, what else did I get done today? I processed a lot of this brush that I got over here. I'm gonna try to get the majority of the larger chunks out of it, and then that machine I got, that DR mower, I'm gonna run it over and just start mulching the crap out of it. I gotta be careful because there's still potential barbed wire going through this area. So yeah, that's always fun. I've been burning the crap out of stuff. Let's see, what else did I do today? I know y'all wanted an update on the house, and I did go up in the attic. Let's go up front. And sorry if the camera's jolting a lot. If you have epilepsy and you're gonna fall into a seizure, please don't watch. I'm not responsible. I found a brick that's got Della Murphy on it. I don't know who Della Murphy is, but she put her name in there. Or maybe that's a guy. I don't know. I'm sure back in them days that would have been a girl. But the porch still looks good. Real pleased with it. Climbed up there in the attic and got all my measurements. I'll show y'all what I got. There's the highway and the byways running through Texas. You're on your way to Texarkana if you're on that, keep going north. All right, so what I got was, and this is all is gonna be in inches. So if you speak M&Ms, well, I suggest you just get the peanut ones and sit back and relax. So for my roof rafter, I got 186 inches, and my notch is 13 inches to give me my soffits and eaves, or whatever the hell you call them things. I think there's the bottom is the soffit and the sides of the eaves. Okay, so anyway, so that's that. I got 172 inches on a 2x4 this direction, and 79 inches going up here. I measured it with my speed square and my chalk line, using it as a plumb bob on the notch, and I come up with 63 degrees is the angle that this is at. And I also took this piece of paper, and from the bottom line of it to the top line right there, we can bring that back down to a point, and that's going to also give me my 63 degree angle. Now I'm going to remeasure that with something a little more accurate, but I'm pretty sure that that's going to be right. So I need to buy, I'm going to need at least 4, no, I'm going to need at least 8 16-foot long 2x4s. And they are 2x4s, and they're not, they're milled 2x4s, so there's 3.5 and 1.5, just so we know that we're in the right zone. And then I also need to replace a little bit of the ridge beam and everything. We'll get up in there and get that done. So that's that. That's what I got working on there. Let's go in the house, because my other chore that I wanted to get done today was deal with the floor inside the bathroom and get a little bit of stripping done. That's the linoleum. Some of it, there was actually 2 layers of linoleum on the floor. And I always thought that linoleum was this plastic stuff like this is. But there was another layer up underneath it, and it had a cardboard backing. Has anybody ever heard of that? And it said linoleum on it, but maybe the first was cardboard. Hey man, for all you Canadians, Kanakistan, look at there. Straight out of Kanakistan. I wonder how much tariff I had to pay for that, to get that. Oh, I bet there wasn't any back then. Yeah. Made in, I don't know, can y'all read that? It's in French. Because you Kanakistanians speak French too. But look, there's your little maple leaf. Half of one, at least. Anyway, Canadian floor in my Texas house. Things that make you go, huh. Alright, let's go inside and check out the bathroom, because what I wanted to know was how bad is this floor. And yeah, it's not, you know, I knew it was bad, but you know, could have been better. It's too bad that they didn't know how to do plumbing right, because the floor is really good on this side, but that's where the drain was for the tub. Hello, Mr. Petey Doggy. Did you just need to come say hello to everybody? Hey, say hello, Mr. Petey Doggy. Oh, I know what Petey Doggy wants. Is that what you want? Is you just hammering for a cookie? Is that what it is? You see the camera and you know there's a cookie up here, and you're just hamming for the cookie. Here you go, Mr. P Doggy. All right, go enjoy your cookie. All right. Sorry, man. The dog takes precedent. He loves me. Somebody's got to love me. So anyway, what I got going on here is, man, they put a lot of wood into this house. Now, this was added on in about 1985. because that's when city water showed up and they got plumbing here. So there was a bathtub right here, and that's where the drain was. I'm surprised that where the toilet was sitting that it didn't rot out. The sink was right there, and the water heater was falling in here. There was, well, let's just put it this way. I got rat crap fever, dun dun dun. I got that rat crap fever, dun dun dun. Man, there was a pile of rat crap so thick, I had to shovel it out with a shovel. 3 buckets fulls. This whole area. Not only that, I'm not even done. Squirrel situation is going on up here. I don't know what these tiles are made out of. I'm sure they're asbestos in some way. And if we look up there, there is the real ceiling. I don't know why they did a drop ceiling in here, but they did. If we look closely up in there, you see the siding, because this was at one time a porch. We got siding in here. You got rat's nest up by this little cavity. Why they added this 2x4 on top of the siding and then added 3/4 inch wood, I have no clue, man. Why not just take this off and do it right? They had sheetrock back then. They had green sheetrock in the 80s. So anyway, one of the things I got done, and I didn't do this today, but I did it the last time I was here, is I took the door off that was right here. Okay? Now this may have or may have not been the original door coming into the kitchen. I don't know. But what I do know is this opening right here, I cut it out. There were nailed this same lumber right here blocking this off. And then on this side, all it was this paneling was just covering that opening right there. So this is actually going to be the new / old / I don't know. That's how we're going to get into the bathroom. Because bathrooms should not be opening into the kitchen. I'm sorry, but that's just 2 smells that should not be going together. So anyway, I'm going to be closing this opening up right here. It will be closed off. As I said before, that door is going to go right here where this shelf is. And then that door is going to be closed off. But yeah, I think this is a much better deal. I'm also going to be taking that wall out right there to make this one big, large bedroom. So it'll be like a 1-bedroom apartment where you just got to go through the dude's bedroom to get to the bathroom. If you want to hang out, man, come on by. But if you got to go to the pisser, you got to go through my bedroom to get there. That's just the way it's going to work out. Now, once I take the siding off, take this 2x4 out of the way, and all this, I will be putting green board up here. So basically, it'll be about the size of this siding. I have enough room that down here at this end, I will be able to put my washer and dryer. Now, unfortunately, I don't know if I'm going to have enough room to put in like doors to kind of cover it up, but we're going to see what I can do. It's a possibility. It may not be a possibility. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I can do some sort of roll top door, like a roll top desk would have. I'm not 100% sure at this point. We'll see what happens. But chances are, right there, the toilet's going to sit. The sink's going to go right back here. And down here at this end, going all the way across, is going to be a walk-in shower. I don't take tub baths, so I already picked out. I know what shower I want. It'll come out to probably right about here. Yeah, and that's where the shower's going to go. Vanity right there, a little small vanity. Crapper will go over here. We'll put the washing machine there and the dryer there, so you can open the door to move the stuff around. And that'll be the way it's going to go. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that window yet. I I do know that when they put these walls up, they are not square with the rest of the house. And when you go outside, you can clearly see that they aren't square. So I'm probably going to be taking all these walls down. All out here. This wall down and this wall down, and reframing and moving the beams so that everything squares up, because it ain't square, and I ain't having to unsquare house when I can fix it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, if you look down there, you can see it's clearly the bathroom is sticking out further, okay, then it's in right here. I don't know what the situation may be, but somehow we're gonna fix it. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure which is the problem. But when you look down the eaves, this is kicked out like this. It's square at the top, but it ain't square down here at the bottom. And it's also, if you look down the house, it's kicked in over here, out over here, but yet still square up there. I don't know what the hell they were doing, but we're gonna fix that, because I ain't living in a house that ain't square, because I'm a square kind of dude. All right, guys, well, that's 16 minutes of the Pat's old house, and it's probably about 4:30 in the evening, and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today, and I'm probably gonna run down to the Mickey D's and pick myself up something to eat, and then come on back here, because I'm not leaving until the sun goes down, because I don't like driving with the sun in my face, and I pretty much got to drive with the sun in my face. Are you enjoying your new front porch, Petey Donkey? Are you? All right, guys. Well, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking, and I'm gonna keep grinding it down on this old house. Thanks for stopping by Pat's Old House. Talk to y'all next time. Say goodbye, Petey Dog.